In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to go through the laws of indices for ordinary level. So, let's take x to the power of y. We say that x is the base number and y is the index or the power. We say x to the power of y. X to the power of 2 we say is x squared. And x to the power of 3 we say is x cubed. So let's go through some of the laws. In order for the laws of indices to be applicable to a problem, the numbers must have the same base number. So that's very important. So law number 1, we can think of this as a multiplication law. When we're multiplying two numbers, so x to the power of a by x to the power of b, then we add the powers. So we get x to the power of a plus b. So let's do an example. We have 3 to the power of 2 by 3 to the power of 3. So therefore we're going to get 3 to the power of 2 plus 3, which is equal to 3 to the power of 5. So just to note, we cannot do this if we have this different base numbers. So let's just say we had 2 to the power of 2 by 3 to the power of 2. We cannot say 2 to the power of 4, or we cannot say it's 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so we can only use this rule where we add the powers when the base number is the same. Okay, law number 2. This has to do with division. So we have x to the power of a over x to the power of b. This will give us x to the power of a minus b. So let's do another example. We have 4 to the power of 7 divided by 4 to the power of 3. So this gives us 4 to the power of 7 minus 3. So we get 4 to the power of 4. Again, noting that our base number must be the same. Law number 3. You can think of this as the double powers rule. So if we have x to the power of a to the power of b, then we multiply the powers. So if we have 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2, it's 2 to the power of 6. So it's 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 gives us 2 to the power of 3 by 2. So that's how we get our 2 to the power of 6. Law number 4, this power of 0. So, if we have x to the power of 0, it's equal to 1. So really we can fill in absolutely any number for x. If that number is to the power of 0, then it's always equal to 1. Law number 5, the power of the square root. Okay, so this is where we need to know that the square root of x is equal to x to the power of a half. So for example, let's say we had the square root of 3. This is equal to 3 to the power of a half. Square root of 5 is equal to 5 to the power of a half. For more information, you can go to www.PositiveMaths.ie. You can email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie and find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for watching.